Welcome back to Bike Hub, your home for the most thrilling machines on wheels. Today, we're not talking about just any car. We're diving into the rebirth of an absolute legend, the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427. This is the car that redefined American muscle in the 1960s, a machine that destroyed tracks and stole hearts with its raw V8 thunder. Now, in 2026, it returns, reborn, modernized, and meaner than ever, while staying true to its soul. So, buckle up, because this isn't just a car review, it's a journey into history, innovation, and pure adrenaline. The legacy of the Shelby Cobra. To truly understand why the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 is so exciting, we need to step back into the past. In 1965, Carroll Shelby combined a lightweight British AC chassis with a monstrous American Ford V8 engine. The result? The Shelby Cobra 427, a car so brutally fast that it gained legendary status overnight. The original 427 packed over 425 horsepower, and with a weight under 2,400 pounds, it was a beast that could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, mind-blowing for its time. It wasn't refined. It wasn't polished. It was raw, loud, and dangerous, and that's exactly why people loved it. Fast forward 6 decades, and the Cobra name still carries unmatched respect. The 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 isn't just a tribute, it's an evolution. Exterior design. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 is how much of the original DNA remains. The car retains its iconic low-slung roadster shape, wide haunches, and that menacing front grille. But look closer, and you'll see how Shelby has infused modern design into every detail. The bodywork is crafted from carbon fiber instead of aluminum, making it lighter but stronger. The classic round headlights are reborn with LED technology, giving it a piercing, modern look. The wheels are 21-inch forged alloys, designed to blend vintage racing style with modern aerodynamics. And the paintwork. Shelby offers it in heritage colors like Guardsman Blue with twin white stripes, but also bold new shades like Carbon Black Metallic and Electric Silver. From every angle, the 2026 Cobra looks like it was sculpted to dominate both the track and the boulevard. Interior. Step inside, and the Cobra's cockpit is exactly what you'd expect. Raw, simple, and focused on the driver. But don't mistake simplicity for a lack of modern features. The dashboard is a retro-inspired design with analog dials, but behind them lies a customizable digital driver's display. The steering wheel is compact and wrapped in Alcantara, offering race car precision. Lightweight carbon bucket seats provide both comfort and grip for high-speed cornering. Shelby has hidden modern tech like Bluetooth, navigation, and climate control, but in a way that doesn't take away from the car's old-school charm. It feels like stepping into the 1960s, but with the convenience of 2026. Heart of the beast. Here's where things get really exciting. The 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 doesn't compromise when it comes to power. At its core is a 7.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, a modern reinterpretation of the legendary 427 big block. But this isn't just nostalgia, it's innovation. Power output, over 650 horsepower. Torque, a monstrous 650 pound-feet. Transmission, a 6-speed manual gearbox standard, with an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic for those who crave modern speed. This machine rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds and can reach a top speed of 210 miles per hour. And the sound. Imagine the thunder of the original Cobra, amplified with modern exhaust tuning. Every press of the throttle sends shockwaves through the air, a pure mechanical symphony. Handling and driving dynamics. The original Cobra was fast in a straight line but could be terrifying in corners. The 2026 Cobra fixes that. Shelby engineers have equipped the car with adaptive suspension that automatically adjusts to track or road conditions. Carbon ceramic brakes for insane stopping power. Active aerodynamics, including a retractable rear spoiler for high-speed stability. Electronic stability systems that can be dialed back or completely switched off for purists. The result? A Cobra that feels planted, agile, and confidence-inspiring, without losing the wild edge that made it legendary. Technology. While the Cobra is built to feel raw, it's secretly loaded with advanced tech. A hidden touchscreen infotainment system folds out when needed, but disappears into the dash when not. AI driving modes adjust throttle response, suspension, and traction based on the driver's style. Track mode enables real-time telemetry, letting you analyze lap times, G-forces, and tire grip. And for the modern world, it even features semi-autonomous cruise control for highway drives, though let's be honest, who buys a Cobra to relax? Soundtrack of power. Cars like the Cobra aren't just about speed, they're about sound. Shelby has designed a dual-mode titanium exhaust system. In standard mode, it's loud enough to wake the neighbors. But in track mode, it's a beast, screaming at over 110 decibels, delivering the raw, unfiltered roar that made the Cobra famous. They even tuned it so that it echoes the growl of the original 1965 model. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling concert of horsepower. Limited production. The 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 isn't going to be mass-produced. Shelby announced that only 2,026 units worldwide will be made, paying tribute to the year of its rebirth. Each car will come with a numbered plaque, signed by Shelby American's design team. Collectors are already lining up, and with demand this high, prices are expected to skyrocket. Starting price: around $300,000, but many expect them to resell for double that in just a few years. Comparison with supercars of 2026. So how does the new Cobra stack up against modern supercars like the Ferrari SF90, Porsche 911 Turbo S, or Corvette ZR1? In terms of raw speed, the Cobra matches or even outperforms many of them. In terms of heritage and emotional appeal, few cars even come close. While others rely on hybrid systems and electric assistance, the Cobra sticks to pure metal combustion muscle. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Nothing against the future of silent. Who is this car? The 2026 Shelby Cobra 437 is for everyone. It's not practical, it's not quiet, it's not subtle. This car is for enthusiasts. For people who want to feel every vibration, hear every roar, control every ounce of power. It's for those who believe driving should be an experience, not just an expectation. It's a car that demands respect, and rewards those who dare to take on the journey. Conclusion: the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 is more than a car. It's a time machine, blending the raw, unapologetic spirit of the 1960s with the technology and performance of today. It's proof that legends never die, they evolve. So, whether you're a lifelong Cobra fan or someone discovering it for the first time, one thing is clear: the Cobra is back, and it's ready to dominate the road once again. This is not just a rebirth. It's a revolution. Call to action. So what do you think? Does the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 capture the soul of the original? Would you choose it over a Ferrari or Lamborghini? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Hub for more epic stories on legendary machines. Because here, it's not just about cars and bikes, it's about passion, history, and the thrill of the ride.